You're a trader. Are you making money on oil at the moment?
I've been on here since I think it was about January, and I said I think we're going to probably hit $100 before the year's out.
I do remember that. That's true.
There you
I
go.
remember that point.
And so it's been a one-way bet. You don't often get one-way bets.
So you're doing well on that, I assume.
We don't often get one-way bets on the market. This has been one of the easier ones, I'm afraid. Nobody wants to hear about.
How long will it last for, though?
Well, like I said, I think $100 by the end of the year. 18 months ago, I could, with about $130 or £100, fill up the tank in my car. Now and yesterday it was half a tank. So look at the living standards. You talk about car manufacturers. Let's talk about blue-collar workers, right? It's going to hit them, not the big fat cats in the city like me.
Well, it already is, and all the Uber
double
drivers,
the cost,
all the minicab drivers, all the delivery men and women. Those people.
And for once, it's not the politicians so much to blame.
And it's inflationary as well, isn't it?
Yeah, and wages are not going up, so it's really hitting living standards, because this is something which hits you right now. Brexit, we don't know what's going to happen, all the rest of it. This is going to hit people right now, and you know what? There's a lot of that cost, that fuel cost, goes to government in taxes. So I'm going to blame the politicians again. You can defend them all you want, but if they were to reduce the taxes on fuel, you could actually reduce the impact on the consumer. But this just makes them bumper profits.